What is going on, guys? I'm Gilberto from Credit Guys, the show where we talk all things credit, business, and finance related. Today's video topic is going to be, what is a hard inquiry? Can I remove them? Is one too many? Can I have too many hard inquiries? So before we get into the video topic, please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and let's get into it. What is a hard inquiry on your credit report? If you've been, an adult, or if you ever bought a car or a house or a credit card, then you probably are a little familiar with what a hard inquiry is. So a hard inquiry is basically any time that you are going to be asking for credit, right? Anything on credit, whether it be a credit card, a personal loan, for a car most likely, or a mortgage, they are going to do what is called a hard inquiry on your credit report. And what that is basically pulling your credit history, your credit file, to get a good gauge, to see what your credit score is, to see what your credit mix is built up of, and to overall get a picture of who you are on paper when it comes to your credit. You can, and if you've noticed, whenever you do get a hard inquiry, your credit score drops a couple points. Reason being is because they don't want people to go out there on a regular basis and just try to apply for credit or, get lines of credit every single day, right? Because in the eyes of a lender, it's a red flag. Why is this person always having new hard pulls on their credit file every other month? Why do they keep shopping around for credit? Do they need it? Are they in a bad position? And one of the most common things we get basically when it comes to our inquiry removal service is people go to a dealership, and as we all know, whenever you walk into a dealership, they want you to walk out with a vehicle. So what are they going to do? They're going to shop you around through all of their partnered banks. And by shop you around, I mean they're going to run your credit and give you anywhere from 10 to 15 different hard inquiries on your credit report. And what that's going to do is ding up your credit and ultimately cause a temporary drop in your credit score. Are inquiries a bad thing? No, not at all. If you are somebody who has a good credit score, who doesn't apply for very much, but maybe once or twice a year, then having a hard inquiry, should not be something that you lose sleep over. In fact, a lot of people actually, they have a bad mindset when it comes to inquiries. They don't want to pull their credit for any kind of reason because they're scared that it's going to ding their credit score and it's going to drop points. The reality is your credit score is made up of a few different things. Hard inquiries, being probably on the smaller side of how important your credit file is. If you get one or two inquiries a year, you're going to be completely fine. I wouldn't worry about it. A way to remove an inquiry if it wasn't you, right? If it was on Experian, is you can call up Experian's dispute department and basically flag an inquiry as fraudulent. As long as it's not tied to an open account, then they should actively remove it within 48 hours. Again, that's if it's not tied to an open account and it was fraudulent, meaning not done by you. That's a quick way to remove an inquiry from the Experian report. And then you can send out disputes for any of the other two bureaus. So that's basically in a nutshell what a hard inquiry is. And what a soft inquiry. Most companies will say, hey, we're going to perform a soft pull on you, which basically you do not get a hard inquiry. It's not going to show up on your record. They're just basically kind of taking a peek at your credit profile, and then they say, hey, we think that you'll be a good fit for this product or this car or this service, and there's a high chance you'll get approved. We just need to perform the hard inquiry on it. Then you go ahead and they'll give you a hard inquiry. So those are the differences between a soft and a hard pull and what a hard inquiry is. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more in the future. Take care.